Now, I would like to emphasize an important lesson we gain from all of this, that shlemut, completeness, and shalom, peace, in a marriage do not result from both partners being two identical halves, but rather from being with somebody different than yourself. Obviously, there must be a shared fundament, but as we know, thesis and antithesis create a synthesis. Now, when I look at you, I truly see this kind of shlemut, this kind of completeness. A completeness resulting from the synthesis of two unique individuals from two very different cultures and backgrounds, and both with very strong personalities. And as you told me yourself, your relationship is in fact very much based on the differences between you, where you wonderfully complete each other. For example, Mel loves to cook, Oliver loves to eat. Or Oliver being, as we all know him and love him, the more loud, outspoken, and talkative one, the minister of exterior. Mel, a bit more laid back, calm and at rest, the minister of interior. Or as you put it, Oliver, the one who acquires friends, and Mel, the one making sure to maintain them. Their quote. And I must say, I am very impressed how both of you, coming from out of town, have really managed to integrate yourself here in Zurich, in the community, with a nice big group of friends who are, many of them with us here today. It's really not self-evident, and really kol hakavod, and you really are now really part of our community. And I really feel that beyond your differences, both of you are very well able to really bring the best out in each other as a team with common goals and values based on trust, respect, unquestionable support for each other, as well as for the family and the people around you, and that from challenges that you face, you are able to grow even stronger as a couple.